Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the LG 34GX90SA 34-inch WQHD Curved Gaming Monitor, and this thing is a serious upgrade for any setup. Right away, the 34-inch ultra-wide OLED panel grabs your attention. With a 3440x1440 resolution and a deep 800R curve, it wraps around your field of view and makes games feel incredibly immersive. The 21:9 aspect ratio gives you more screen space, which is amazing not just for gaming but also for multitasking and creative work. Performance is where it really shines. You're getting a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate and an ultra-quick 0.03 milliseconds response time, so motion looks razor-sharp and incredibly smooth. With both G-Sync and FreeSync support, gameplay stays tear-free and responsive whether you're on PC or console. Color quality is stunning too, thanks to OLED contrast and rich DCI P3 coverage. Blacks are truly deep, highlights pop, and HDR content looks cinematic. Plus, with HDMI 2.1 and USB-C connectivity, it's ready for modern devices. Overall, the LG 34GX90SA delivers speed, immersion, and breathtaking visuals in one premium ultra-wide package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.